In this video, you will learn how to create a PowerPoint slide deck automatically with the help of Google Colab. This solution is particularly useful for small business managers who need to create presentations on a regular basis. We will show you step by step how to write and run the source code to create your own presentation. At the beginning of the code, we import a library that allows us to work with PowerPoint files. We then define a function that creates a new presentation. This function defines the format of the presentation and creates a blank slide. Next, we define a function that creates a title slide. This function adds a title and subtitle to the first slide. The title and subtitle are passed as parameters to the function. We then define a function that creates a slide with bullet points. This function adds a title and a list of bullet points to the second slide. The bullet points are passed to the function as a list. Finally, we save the presentation as a PowerPoint file. We would also like to explain that we also use API keys for AI videos, but these are for illustrative purposes only and are not real. If you would like to develop your own AI solution for your company, you can now register on crowdcompany.net for just €1. There you get access to a platform where you can create and customize your own AI solution without having to invest a lot of time or money. To summarize, in this video you have learned how to create a PowerPoint slide deck automatically with the help of Google Colab and Python. We have shown you how to import a library, create a presentation, add a title slide and a slide with bullet points, and save the presentation. We hope you will find this solution useful in your organization. If you have any questions about this video or our solution, please feel free to contact us by email. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We look forward to seeing you again in our next video.